Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain range, there lived a young man named Koji. Koji was an ambitious and determined individual, always seeking ways to improve himself and achieve ultimate mental strength and self-mastery. He had heard tales of the power of Buddhism and its ability to cultivate a strong mind, so he set off on a journey to discover the 9 Buddhism habits that would lead him to his desired goal. Koji's first stop was a serene Buddhist temple, where he met a wise and gentle monk named Master Wu. Intrigued by Koji's quest, Master Wu took him under his wing and began teaching him the first habit, mindfulness. They sat in the temple garden, surrounded by blooming flowers and chirping birds, as Master Wu explained the importance of being present in every moment. Koji learned to observe his thoughts and feelings without judgment, allowing him to develop a deep awareness of himself and his surroundings. Next, Koji and Master Wu traveled to a remote monastery high in the mountains. There, they met a group of dedicated monks who embodied the second habit, meditation. Koji learned that through regular meditation practice, he could quiet his mind, cultivate inner peace, and gain clarity of thought. The monks taught him various meditation techniques, from focused breathing to loving-kindness meditation, which helped him develop resilience and emotional stability. Eager to continue his journey, Koji and Master Wu ventured to a bustling city where they met a renowned Buddhist scholar named Professor Zhang. The professor introduced them to the third habit, wisdom. Koji delved into the study of Buddhist scriptures and philosophical teachings, gaining profound insights into the nature of reality and the impermanence of all things. This newfound wisdom allowed him to let go of attachments and embrace change with grace and equanimity. As they traveled further, Koji and Master Wu encountered a humble village elder who embodied the fourth habit, compassion. The elder taught Koji the importance of kindness and empathy towards oneself and others. Koji realized that by practicing compassion, he could not only alleviate the suffering of those around him, but also cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and fulfillment. The fifth habit, gratitude, was revealed to Koji during a visit to a remote village. There, he met a poor but contented farmer who expressed gratitude for the simplest things in life. Inspired by the farmer's outlook, Koji learned to appreciate the beauty of each day, expressing gratitude for both the joys and challenges that came his way. This habit of gratitude brought him immense joy and a greater sense of abundance. Continuing his journey, Koji encountered a group of skilled martial artists who embodied the sixth habit, discipline. They taught him that true mental strength required consistent effort and self-discipline. Koji learned to set goals, create daily routines, and persevere through hardships. Through discipline, he developed resilience and unwavering determination to overcome any obstacle on his path. In a secluded forest, Koji and Master Wu stumbled upon a wise hermit who embodied the seventh habit, detachment. The hermit taught Koji the art of letting go and freeing himself from the shackles of attachment. Koji learned that by detaching himself from desires and expectations, he could find inner peace and contentment, regardless of external circumstances. The eighth habit, integrity, was revealed to Koji through a chance encounter with a virtuous teacher. This teacher emphasized the importance of living in alignment with one's values and principles. Koji realized that by acting with integrity and cultivating moral strength, he could develop a solid foundation for his mental well-being. Finally, Koji and Master Wu arrived at a grand temple where they met a renowned master of the ninth habit, self-reflection. The master guided Koji in examining his thoughts, actions, and intentions with honesty and self-awareness. Through self-reflection, Koji gained a deeper understanding of himself and his journey, making necessary adjustments and embracing continuous growth. After years of learning and practice, Koji returned to his village as a transformed individual. His mind was fortified with ultimate mental strength and self-mastery, thanks to the 9 Buddhism habits he had cultivated. He shared his wisdom and experiences with his fellow villagers, inspiring them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery. And so, the story of Koji's quest for ultimate mental strength and self-mastery became a legendary tale, passed down through generations, reminding people of the power of Buddhism and the transformative habits that can lead to a fulfilled and resilient life.